Dr. Reddington here with Nature's Gold. Think of me as your body's backstage pass to peak performance. I sniff out the good stuff, so you don't have to. Let's take a closer look at what makes this powerhouse tick and why it matters. It's time to bridge the gap and give your body the all clear to perform at its peak. In our multivitamin gummies, we start with the essentials. Vitamin A and zinc act as your internal security team, strengthening your immune response and sharpening your night vision. We've added a high-potency dose of vitamin C and E, the ultimate antioxidant shield, to protect your cells from daily stress and kickstart collagen production for glowing skin and healthy joints. Next, we ignite your metabolism. Our B vitamin complex, including B6, B12, and biotin, converts your food into steady, usable fuel. This isn't just physical energy, it's mental clarity. By supporting neurotransmitters like serotonin, these nutrients help balance your mood and sharpen your focus, while vitamin D3 ensures your bones and muscles stay resilient at any age. To keep your system in rhythm, iodine supports your thyroid, the master regulator of your metabolism and temperature. We've even included inositol to support healthy cell signaling and a sense of emotional calm, ensuring your nervous system stays as balanced as your energy levels. All of this is delivered in a pectin-based gummy, naturally colored with purple carrot and flavored with real strawberry. No synthetic shortcuts, just pure biological support. No fluff, no fillers, just top shelf. Backed by science, brewed by nature, and bottled just for you using the most potent nutrients from premium ingredients. Packed with the purest quality. Take control of your vitality and power up with Nature's Gold, the new standard in health.